Welcome back, everyone. Today we're getting into something that doesn't always get the spotlight, but is absolutely critical for anyone running a commercial fleet: paint. I'm talking vans, trucks, buses, the whole works. And joining me is someone who knows this world inside and out. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me. Yeah, paint might not sound thrilling at first, but when you're managing dozens of vehicles on the road every day, it becomes one of your biggest concerns. Durability, branding, maintenance costs, it all ties together.
Exactly. So let's start broad. What makes commercial vehicle paint different from, say, what you'd use on a regular car?
Great question. Commercial vehicles face harsher conditions. They're on the road longer, exposed to more weather, more wear and tear. So you need coatings that are high build, anti-corrosive, and have excellent adhesion. We're talking about products designed for wet-on-wet applications, low VOC content, and finishes that can handle both solid and metallic colors for interior and exterior work.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense. So it's really about resilience.
Absolutely, and you've got different product types to consider. There are 2K top coats and primers. Those offer exceptional durability, perfect for withstanding harsh environmental conditions. Then you have 1K top coats for easier application, corrosion protection primers, epoxy primers for adhesion, etch primers for bare metal. It's a whole ecosystem.
Right. And I imagine fleet owners aren't just worried about durability. Branding is huge, too, isn't it?
Oh, definitely. Consistency across a fleet is everything. That's where standardized color systems come in. RAL colors, British standard colors, fleet colors. These systems let you maintain that professional appearance and make color matching for repairs so much easier. You don't want one van looking slightly off from the rest, you know?
Right. That'd be like wearing mismatched shoes to a business meeting.
Exactly. Well, RAL colors are standardized across Europe, BS colors follow British standards, and fleet colors are often chosen by companies for practicality and visibility. The focus is reinforcing brand identity while keeping things practical.
That makes a lot of sense. Now, you mentioned anti-corrosive properties earlier. How critical is that for commercial fleets?
Hugely important, corrosion can eat away at a vehicle's lifespan, especially for trucks and buses that face road salt, rain, all that. Using chassis paint and direct-to-metal coatings, DTM, can save a ton of time and money. DTM coatings go straight onto metal without needing a separate primer, offering strong corrosion resistance in a single application.
So you're cutting down prep time and getting solid protection. That's efficient.
Exactly. And there's also adhesion promoters that improve bonding between the substrate and top coat, particularly on tricky surfaces. The goal is building layers that work together. I actually remember early in my career, we had a fleet come in with rust spots everywhere because they'd skipped the proper primer step. Cost them 3 times as much to fix later. That taught me real quick. Do it right the first time.
That point about doing it right the first time sets up our next piece: choosing quality suppliers and products. But first, a quick word from our sponsor.
Looking for a reliable partner to keep your commercial fleet looking sharp and protected? Independent Paint Supplies, based in Swansea and Cardiff, provides a full range of premium paints, coatings, and body shop products built for commercial vehicles. From Sickens coatings and other leading brands to spray guns, compressors, and complete equipment support, they deliver next-day service across South Wales and nationwide, mail order throughout the UK. Learn more at ispaint.co.uk.
Picking up on doing it right the first time, how do you handle selecting the right brands and products when there are so many options out there?
Well, the answer is reliability and performance. You want brands that have proven track records. For instance, Sickens coatings from Akzo Nobel are renowned for superior quality in commercial vehicle refinishing. There are other trusted suppliers providing 2K and 1K systems, water-based products, and specialized formulations for different applications. These aren't just names, they're proven solutions that deliver.
Right. And I'm guessing the equipment matters just as much as the paint itself.
Oh, absolutely. You need quality spray guns for precise application, pressure pots to maintain steady flow, proper sprayers with good technique to minimize overspray, and compressors to power everything. Using the best equipment ensures you get uniform coverage and professional finishes every time.
I see, interesting.
And really, quality products mean less rework. Quality means durability that lasts. It's the same principle we started with. Invest in what works.
So we've established that the right products and equipment are foundational. Now let's talk maintenance. How do fleet owners actually keep their paint looking good over the long haul?
Great question. Regular washing is the first step. Remove dirt, road salt, and grime before they cause damage. Use gentle, pH-balanced cleaners. Inspect regularly for chips or scratches, and address them quickly with touch-ups to prevent corrosion from spreading. And honestly, choosing high-durability 2K paint systems from the start makes a huge difference.
That's a win on both appearance and cost, isn't it?
Totally. And don't overlook environmental regulations. Low VOC paint systems are increasingly important, not just for compliance, but for the health of the people applying them. It's the responsible choice.
Makes sense. So, to everyone listening, have you thought about how your fleet's paint is holding up? One of those details that can either save you money or cost you down the line.
Exactly. And here's the thing. Sourcing everything from one reliable supplier can streamline your whole operation. You get consistent quality, faster turnaround, and you're not juggling multiple vendors.
Right. And partnerships matter too. Distribution networks can provide both local expertise and broader reach, which really helps with getting products when you need them.
Absolutely. Having access to independent distributors who understand your specific needs, combined with national coverage, means you're never stuck waiting. Whether it's next-day delivery locally or mail order nationwide, that reliability matters.
So you get responsive service with broader resources. That's a smart approach.
Definitely. And whether you're in South Wales or anywhere in the UK, having reliable delivery options means you can keep your operation running smoothly.
Perfect. So let's wrap this up. If you're a fleet owner, what's the one takeaway you want them to remember?
Invest in quality from the start. Quality paint, quality equipment, and a quality supplier. Your vehicles are your brand on the road. Treat them that way and they'll serve you well for years.
Couldn't have said it better. Thanks so much for sharing all this insight today.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
And to all of you listening, thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep those fleets rolling and looking sharp.